Tarsidelek, and welcome to the fourth lecture of the chapter, The Making of Global World. So in the last lecture, or in the third lecture, we discussed about the 19th century, in which we discussed the period from 1815 to 1914. So in today's lecture, we are going to discuss the period from 1914 to 1938, which is known as Interwar Economy. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss two important subtopics. These are First World War and the Great Depressions. So let me start with the First World War. So First World War occurred in August 1914, and many people believe that this First World War will end by Christmas or by December, but it did not, and it lasted till 1918, which means this First World War, it was fought almost for 4 years. And the First World War took place in Europe, and it took place between two groups. These two groups is known as Allied powers and the Central powers. So Allied power consists of countries like Britain, France, Russia, and USA, whereas the Central power consists of countries like Ottoman Turkey, Germany, Austro-Hungary. So these countries are some of the most important country, or some of the most powerful country, or some of the leading industrial nation during those time. So you can say that it involved all the leading industrial nation during the First World War. So First World War was called as First Modern Industrial War. So why First World War is called as First Modern Industrial War? Because for the first time in the war, it saw the use of machine guns, tanks, aircraft, chemical weapons on a very large scale, which are made from the industry. Because of that, the First World War is known as First Modern Industrial War. So now we are going to discuss what are the changes that happened during the First World War, or we can call it as a wartime transformation. So during First World War, millions of soldiers were recruited from the working people. So in order to fight a war, a country needs a large number of soldiers. So a large number of soldiers were recruited from the working people. And these working peoples were sent to the front line to fight the war, through the railway or through ship. So majority of people who took part in the First World War are working age people. Since the working people has taken to fight the war, now in the family, there is remain a few workable people. So because of that, the household income declined. Lega chinge tsama mala kiswa, ma zinga kiswa, dindola nangla lega chinge. Osa, nangla ani lega chi mi nyu mashlayu mare. Dindola nangla income le nyunga dures. Okay, so during First World War, the entire societies were reorganized, or entire societies were changed for war. First World War gitu jaga la bat kora chizo gyuathir. Chizo khandes gyuathir lana, as we have already discussed, the working people has gone to war, right? And now the women started undertaking the job that were earlier done by men. Ta phomo changma gi pu changma gi laga che start chires. Factory da industry changma laga che start chir. Before, women used to work at home, and the man used to work outside and earn income. Since the man has gone to fight the war, now women started undertaking the job which were earlier done by men. Not only the society changes during the First World War, even the industry changes. So during First World War, the industry started producing a large number of goods which were related to the war. Before First World War, the industry used to produce goods which are related to the needs of the people, basic needs of the people. Now the industry started producing goods which are related to the war. Like they started producing machine guns, they started producing weapons, right? Okay, chemical weapons, right? So these are some of the war-related goods which were produced in a very large number during the First World War. Not only that, there's a snapping of economic links between world's largest economic powers, which were now fighting each other. So because of First World War, the economic links or economic connection between, like powerful country snapped. Snap means break charges. This is a breaking of economic links between the world's largest economic powers because now they are fighting with it. Now they are fighting each other. So during First World War, Britain borrowed a huge amount of money from US bank and US public in order to, invest more in the war. So during war, the war has transformed the US from being an international debtor to an international creditor, which means before First World War, US used to borrow money from other countries. Now during First World War, US started, lending money to the other countries. Now USA has changed from international debtor to international creditor. International debtor lana khalore ngoma dona USA kegap shimani khonso plin langor ta World War kala khachi start chire khonso gi shembala plin start chire law. Okay, so during First World War, it has led an economic boom. Pinjona patiargitur. That is, there's large increase in demand for the goods which is related to the war. Because of increase in demand, there's increase in the production. Since there's increase in the production, a large number of people started getting work or started getting job. Even though the war has brought an economic boom, but this war had led to a 9 million death and 20 million injured. Now we will discuss the wartime transformation through this flowchart. Okay, so for the war purpose, a large number of soldiers were recruited. Soldiers are Mabusures, and these soldiers were, these soldiers are recruited from the working age peoples, right? Okay, since a large number of working age peoples were recruited in soldiers, there is decline in the able body because of a large number of death of soldiers, right? Okay, so during war, there's increase in demand for the goods which were related to the war. Because of that, there's increase in production and then there's increase in demand. So during war, the women started working in industry because the man has gone to fight war. And during war, First World War, Britain borrowed huge amount of money from US bank and US public. And during war, US became an international creditor before they were international debtor. So during First World War, there is a breaking of economic links between powerful country because now they are fighting to each other. So these are the changes that has happened during the First World War. The second subtopic that I'm going to discuss now is called post-war recovery. So post means after war recovery, how the country recovered or how the country started coming back to normal after the war. So recovery after the war proved difficult for all the nations, especially those nations who have taken part in the First World War. Especially it proved difficult for Britain. Britain before the First World War was one of the most powerful countries in terms of economic. Now, because of the war, Britain faced a prolonged crisis. Because of the First World War. While Britain was busy with the First World War, the industry has developed in India and Japan. Because of that, Britain now failed to recapture the Indian market after the war. War ki jela and Britain ki kyar ki market nanola chala luk thuyomar. Kachin lana ani kya khons nanola industry ko jo start chizar. Di gengi khons industry ki khons chala jo start chir. Before First World War, the Indian market were flooded with the Britain goods. Now, after the war, Britain failed to recapture the Indian market because the industry has already developed in India. Not only that, Britain was burdened with huge external debt. Britain lakangi khathe dingela phulu share swa US public the US bank pesha ma share to wala ta di khon kangi khorthe hausa. So after the war, after the First World War, the Britain reduced in the war expenditure. The war gala tosong tang the bad korang khachiri nyua tang Britain ki. Because of that, there's decline in the production. Production chala soy nyua dura, chala soy nyua dur. Because of decline in production, there's increase in unemployment. Mi mangbuji lega ani the khala lega mangbuji lar, mi mangbuji lega mewachar. Di gengi because of there is increase in unemployment. Especially the many agricultural economies were in crisis. agriculture economy lana khalaure path khoron thanda tundo tabe shinga mangbuchina kangi theories. Example, the wheat producing thamal pemis kangi theories. That is because the Eastern Europe was the major supplier of wheat before the war in the world market. Tangoma thuzela ngarang so world market ra market nanglola ani wheat producing the studela na Eastern Europe ki eastern part ni khunju khajure wheat tabne an khunju world market la tangor. Hinia during the war the wheat supply got disrupted. War ki tijogala ani wheat yamma tangai de bat ko disturb char. Disturb chawi kingi ta Canada da America samal wheat le jam sharwa paini Europe ni le jam shadugala ani Canada da America da Australia na lo khronsi khachia started. They started producing their own wheat khronsu production chia start chisar. Okay, when war was over, the war end chawada khachire Eastern Europe ki yang goni khronsu ki wheat produced chia started. Wheat produced chia started wala now they started their they started supplying the wheat in the world market. World market nangula wheat supply chia started. Di chidugala Eastern Europe ni wheat supply chi chore, America ni supply chi chore, pai ni Canada ni supply chi. Di indugala market nangula wheat khoro zaktulir. Di indugala market nangula wheat bat ko mang thawi kingi di nanglo khachare bat ko market full chayjwa. Di kingi chala mangbu juna yani di khachire prices bat ko nyunga durwa. And because of that, the grain prices fell. Prices new to bad koro. The khronsu ki wheat la pesha yabu maratu ani farmers ma khachire khonse income yabu rai marwa income new atur. Ani farmer mangcha kharire lana khonse pesha phuluya ni ani tendo tapor. Ta din dugala khonso tendo ni yabu dimyo mara pesha yabu rayo marwa. Din dugala income new ma maratu ani khonse kangi tidugala ani phuluyin di lo ma tu kangi ma bus thede la urti thedugala. The next subtopic that I'm going to discuss now is called post-war recovery. So post means after war recovery. Recovery means coming back to the normal state. So in this we are going to discuss a story of different countries, how they came to normal state after the First World War. So recovery after the war proved difficult. The war ni recovered chair path kurakangi shukchimbushtires mangbujigla kega mangbujigla, especially in the case of Britain. Britain lakangi shukchimbushtires. Britain was world leading economy before the First World War. Now Britain faced prolonged crisis after the First World War. Britain di ngoma First World War mali ngela pinjo wala tupshi gegap charo. The First World War gi jela konjo kangi shukchimbushtires. Kajin lana konjo gi pinj konjo gi pesha mangbuji ani First World War nana dosuntang shaduwala. The war gi jela goni rangja normal state ka le pimisikangi thid elor. While Britain was busy with war, industry has developed in India and Japan. And Indian industry has started producing their own goods and started supplying their own goods in the Indian market. Because of that, Britain failed to recapture the Indian market after the war. Not only that, Britain was burdened with huge external debt. As we remember, we discussed that Britain has borrowed huge amount of money from US public and US bank during the First World War. Because of that, now Britain is burdened with huge external debt. Chilo ni pat koro pulun shuk chimbushia shaduala First World War jela pat koro pulun korongi kangi res konzola. So after the First World War, reduction in the war expenditure. And war gi jela and Britain ki khachirela na and war kangla dosung tang di khunji nyunga tang reduction chi nyunga tang. Because of that, this result in decline in production. The war kangla dosung tang nyunga tang duela and production bat nyunga dures. Because of decline in production, there is increase in unemployment. The chala se nyunga duduela and khunji khachire mi mangbuchi lagan ma pi sheirwa. Piduala and mi mangbuchila laga meo chares. So because of that, there is increase in unemployment. Mi mangbuchik laga meo chare. Many agricultural economy were in crisis after the First World War. First World War jela kangi shuk chesho de sula agricultural economy, especially those who cultivate crops. And tundo tamigi and mi samala kangi shuk chimbush teres, especially the wheat producer, wheat production chingi and shingpatamala kangi shuk chimbush teres. How? Kandes kangi terelana? Eastern Europe was a major supplier of wheat before First World War in the world market. Eastern Europe nikachurelana. Eastern Europe is the center of wheat production. Wheat production mangshe chingi Eastern Europe. And not only they produce, they even supply to the rest of the world. Zamlingi kekap shimba thangmala and khunzogi supply chugor wheat. But unfortunately, the wheat supply got disrupted during the war. War gitujola, First World War gitujola, the wheat supply che dikhachare stop chares because the war was occurring or war outbreak in the Europe. Europe nandola war the outbreak chiduala and Europe nandola supply che thama bat stop chares. Because of that, production in Canada, America and Australia increased dramatically. The Canada, the America, Australia samagi wheat production batkor manga started and they started supplying their wheat to the other parts of the world. Zamlingi kekap shimba samala tanga start chigilor. But after the First World War, Eastern Europe once again started producing wheat. War kijela Eastern Europe ki goni yangyo and production started and started supplying wheat in the world market. Market now wheat tanga started. Because of that, it created a glut in the market. Market now wheat pun chimbuchiglea started. Pun chimbuchiglea started the grain prices fell. Grain prices path couldn't drop and because of that, the rural income declined. Rural and village na dingi ki mi samaki income bad kon new orders because they fail to get adequate prices for their wheat. Wheat la pesha tata rayu marwa din income new orders and farmer fell into deeper into debt. Bad koro farmers ma bad koro pulu mangatore. So that was how the Britain faced a problem after the First World War.